In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Canva video to YouTube. We'll walk through exporting your video from Canva, then uploading it to YouTube Studio, adding the right details, and publishing it so people can watch. Start in Canva by opening your design in the editor. When you're ready to export, look to the top right and click the Share button. From the options that appear, choose Download. For the file type, select MP4 video. This is important because MP4 is the standard format YouTube expects and it preserves your video and audio together. If your design has multiple pages or scenes, make sure you pick the pages you want included. Take a moment to preview any animations or timing, and confirm the resolution you set in Canva looks crisp. When everything looks good, click the purple Download button and let Canva render the file. Save the video somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or your Downloads folder. Next, go to YouTube and log into your account, then open YouTube Studio. In the top right, click the Create button. It looks like a small camera with a plus sign and select Upload Video. A window will prompt you to choose a file. Select the MP4 you just downloaded from Canva. YouTube will begin uploading and then processing the video. That's normal. Keep the page open while it works. While the upload runs, fill out the details. Add a clear, searchable title that tells viewers exactly what the video is about. Write a helpful description that briefly sums up the content and provides any context viewers might need. You can also add tags, short keywords related to your topic to help with discoverability. They don't replace a good title and description, but they can reinforce what your video is about. Add a custom thumbnail to make your video stand out. You can design one in Canva for a consistent look. Aim for a 16:9 image with bold, legible text and high contrast so it's easy to read on mobile devices. Now choose your visibility setting. Public makes the video immediately available to everyone. Unlisted keeps it off search results but accessible to anyone with the link, which is useful for sharing privately. Private restricts it to only you or specific people you choose, helpful if you're not ready to share it yet. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your video live. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.